You want a spouse? Do istighfar. You want a child? Do istighfar. You need money, drowning in debt, or struggling with endless worries? Do istighfar. You feel lonely, anxious, or lost? Do istighfar. The Messenger of Allah said, "Whoever holds on to istighfar continuously, Allah will make for him a way out of every hardship. He will grant him relief from every worry, and He will provide for him from where he could never imagine." And Allah tells us in the Quran, in Surah Nuh, "Seek forgiveness from your Lord, indeed He is ever forgiving. He will send rain upon you in abundance. He will increase you in wealth and children, and provide for you gardens and rivers." Think about that. Every closed door in your life, every pain in your chest, every dream you've been waiting for, there's one key that unlocks them all. Turn back to Allah, seek His forgiveness. So next time your heart feels heavy, don't run to people first, run to Allah. Whisper Astaghfirullah with sincerity. Because in istighfar, there's not just forgiveness, there's hope, healing, provision, and miracles. I pray that Allah forgive everyone watching this right now. Ya Allah, heal every heart, every body, every soul watching this. Ya Allah, provide for them, bless them, guide them. Say Ameen in the comment. Share this video with someone as a sadqa jariyah, because maybe someone needs a reminder. May Allah gives you reward for sharing this video.